Yo, so today is Sunday. It's about what, 2:53, if you can see that. And usually on the weekends I'm gonna take my bike out. This bad boy right here. I usually take my bike out to the park, Prospect Park. It's like pretty central here in Brooklyn, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the bike, take you out to the city, and hopefully no bullshit happens, cause you know somebody riding their bike through Brooklyn with a big white camera like this. Well, not big, but very obvious camera. It's prone to attract some sketch ass people. But I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. I'm gonna go ahead, take my bike out, and bring y'all with me. So typically on the weekends, whether it's Sunday or Saturday or Friday after work, I'll usually try to hop on my bike and explore somewhere new because I am new here. But overall, let me show y'all the fit real quick. Nice little athletic t-shirt. You don't want to get too sweaty in the, what's it called, while riding out. Got this long sleeve. Must have while riding. Perfect. Boom. Next thing, I keep it clean in the dirty pair of airs. Boom. I'm gonna throw on a hoodie and then a jacket. So boom, that's 3 layers, all right? It's a nice little windbreaker. Light hood goes on my head. Headphones on top. Hoodie to hide my headphones. I don't want motherfuckers try to see me as a lick out here. Oh, you can catch these heads. Bop, bop, bop. All right, let me stop being a crackhead. But yeah, and that's the fit. 4 layers. Next must have, my damn book bag. So throw this on top. Usually have a water, something to drink. So boom, got the water. Next thing, a little drink to add a kick to our ride. And we got our kicker. So boom, wallet, water, drink. So I usually gotta carry the bike on my shoulder. Gotta carry it down 5 flights of stairs. Put the chair on my shoulder. So, before I dip out, take a little shot, take a little sip. Maybe 2. So, usually on the weekends, I go out to the park like I was saying earlier. Honestly, it's just how I stay sane in the city. I already live in the concrete jungle, so I like to make sure that I get my nature. And when I grew up, I spent most of my time outside as a kid. So, it's just in me. We take y'all around Brooklyn, baby. So I'm gonna head all the way over to Prospect Park. We out here in Flatbush, baby. Bro, so I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but it is cold as a bitch out here. I swear to God, bro. Look at this. People be trying to hit me in my bike lane, but I don't really give a fuck. We gonna see what we gonna get to. So right now Brooklyn's getting like gentrified. I was saying I'm a gentrifier myself, but I understand what's going on. This is entering the park. So we just entered Prospect Park right now. I'm gonna let y'all see. So the park is empty as fuck right now. As y'all can see, you got the whole view. You got people over here, some benches. I got my bike right here chilling. I'm about to ride around the park, get back on the trail. Got my ducks, look at this. Come here, little ducky. So this is Prospect Park, probably one of the biggest here in Brooklyn. And these are some of the areas. Switch hands. Swamps. As you can see. By the little ducks. Whole lot of activity. Let me go this way. me. There's a trail back here that goes to the woods, but I'm not even on what to call it. Let me spin back around to the water. I'm gonna show y'all different parts of the park. Go out this way. This way. Ah! I guess they about to build some shit. What is it, soil? Oh, the leaves. I'm right here, I'm riding through the park. You got people jogging. You got all the trees around us. There's a little park up here on my left side. But we ride through the park right now. You got a bunch of people out here jogging, groups of people. There's a little park down there. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I am fucking freezing, baby. And guess what? We still gonna push through. There's some people behind me. Let me get out their way. But my right fingers feel like they about to fall off right now. Up here on this side. It's 4:50. Sunday, November 20th. And I'm sitting here on a bench just chatting. You got the sunset out there. It's brick right now, like freezing. You got the buildings. You got all these people with their dogs. I'm trying to talk without shaking, and I'm still not used to holding the camera out. So many people walking by and staring at me like I'm weird, but at the end of the day, I'm about to just start holding this on like this. Most of the time I come out here to clear my mind. I think that just being in nature, if I'm being honest, is more refreshing than anything else. You see, you don't get this good skin tone by not going outside. But nah, for the most of the summer, I was just out here chilling. It was fun. I'll come out here, ride my bike, probably put like 5 to 10 miles on my bike every Sunday. No, every Saturday, Sunday combined. Every weekend I'll probably do 15, 20 miles. But as the winter gets cold, I can't be outside. So I was talking to a friend the other day, and I was telling him how, like, I still haven't made my New York group of friends, because I only go out to like functions. I go out like clubbing. I go out to like nightclubs and stuff. That's not where you make friends. Like, that's where you go to find somebody to take home, or, you know, just people to vibe with for the night. But I'm gonna start going to more, I guess, socially intimate settings, like more quaint bars and stuff. Try and meet more of my type of crowd, people I'll kick it with in the winter, because it is cold. Like I'm telling you, me just holding this camera out right now, my fingers are shaking. But overall, you have a bunch of people jogging over here. You got all these couples. My lonely ass sitting here on the bench. Goddamn. But overall, as the holidays come, I'm approaching 1 year in New York. 9 months, and I got finished November, December, and January, and then February 27th, February 28th, one of those. I don't know, I might pop a bottle. I might have to do something extravagant, but it's gonna be freezing because February is. If it's this cold right now, I think we're getting like a winter front. It's like 28 degrees or some shit. It's definitely below freezing right now. I might start heading back, but overall, like I was saying, I come out here, I would say more mental health more than anything, and it's getting colder, so I can't be outside as much. And when I find my little group of people, most likely Africans, I'm gonna be good. See my dark ass, I gotta be under that fucking light. But let me go ahead and head out. It's, what time is it right now? 4:57. Causing all this commotion. See a view. You got so many people out here. My hands are fucking cold. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to put my hands back on the wheel. We about to go uphill. I hope my face doesn't look runny and all that. Turn this shit around. I'm about to laugh at this. I got two motherfuckers carrying each other. Oh shit. Man, it's gone. Are you okay? Oh my gosh.
Are you okay? Oh my gosh.
He just fell the fucking bike, bro. He just fell. He just busted your. Oh my god, did I actually catch that on camera? Bro. Welcome to Brooklyn, where bitches fall off the back of bikes. Oh shit. How you doing? How about you? Doing good. You say hi to my vlog? Oh no. It's freezing. This man is beating me. We gonna catch up to him. No, we're not. You have a good one. We about to go uphill a little bit. We about to go downhill. Right now, I'm what? February? We're in November. 10 months? No, 9 months. 9 months in New York. Look at this. About to go downhill. Whew. Over there, got people running. It's cold as fuck. God damn. Ah, it's freezing. How you doing? You think I'm crazy. I actually do look crazy. Everybody knows it's freezing and I'm over here skiing on the bike. I hope this thing went up right now. Oh, no, okay. It's a grown ass man. Let's get it. Like I said, I'm crying, bro. It's fucking cold. So, I'm about to leave the park right now. I hope I don't crash. Oh my god. Oh god. Woo! Alright. Y'all about to see me weave traffic right quick. Show y'all a little something. Yeah, I see it. Your boy crossed. What is he talking about? I'm supposed to go back here, but it's sketch. To sketch we go, because I'm not going the long way. So I'm just getting back to my apartment right now. It's like 5:45. But that's pretty much the gist of the ride. Right now I'm about to put my bike in the building, walk to the deli, grab some stuff, and go back in the apartment. Whew. Anyways, that's been my day. It is currently 6:23 p.m. And if I'm gonna be honest, I am physically beat. Let me show y'all what I got from the deli. I got a steak wrap with bacon, everything on it. Look at that. If your food don't make your hand greasy before you even get to the food, is it good? Yes, sir. Come on, look at this. $7. It's provolone, baby. Y'all see this? Bro. I'm in munchie mode right now. This shit is so good. God, that food was good. Damn. I had to take just one more bite. Just for the... Y'all saw that juice, right? Just hitting. Alright, y'all. Subscribe to my channel. That's it. Go do that.